In this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant can't sign in. Sorry, we are having trouble signing you in. Exit the Valorant launcher completely. Locate the Valorant directory. Then right-click on the Valorant application and select Properties. Go to Compatibility tab. Check the following options. Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Disable full screen optimization. Run this program as administrator. Click Apply, then OK. Now open the Windows search bar and type Network. Select View Network Connections. Right-click on your active network connection and choose Properties. Scroll down and select Internet Protocol version 4. Click Properties and select Use the following DNS server addresses. For preferred DNS server 1.1.1.1 and alternative DNS server 1.0.0.1. Click OK and close the window. Now open the Windows search bar again and type Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings and scroll down to find Valorant or Riot Games. Remove both entries. Click Allow another app, then Browse. Navigate to the Riot client directory and add it. Also go to Valorant directory and add Valorant. Make sure both private and public checkboxes are selected. Click OK and close the window. That's it. Your Valorant sign-in issue should now be fixed. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.